Oh my gosh, hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is another vlog this time around. I was really hoping that I would be able to show you my fully finished and printed book this video. However, it has been I think like 3 or 4 weeks since I sent it out to print, and that's just for the test copy. Has not even gotten to me yet. I guess I will have to wait to make that video, and I'm very upset that it's taking so long. But I finally literally today, I got a message saying that it is out and shipped. So hopefully I will get that either next week or the week after, maybe even this week, who knows. But today you get a vlog instead. So actually works out pretty well because I have a very busy week and a lot of things are happening, I'm getting a lot of projects. I'm just going to take you through my week and show you what I'm doing. Let's get right into the vlog. Okay, so today is Monday, and I know in my last vlog I said I really want to start getting out there, doing things that are a lot more active, and one of those things is going to my local library.
Library? You've never set foot in a library, you're only 4 years old.
I hadn't gone in such a long time, and I was like, I really need to get back into reading books and researching and doing things. And since I'm trying to gear up for another project, I thought this would be a great time to go back to the library and get some inspiration again. But when I was there, I was looking at their content calendar and all their like little events for that month, and I saw that they have a lot of classes, and I was like, I should really try these classes out. I mean, last time I was there, I saw these people come out with like birdhouses, and I was like, oh, that's cool. I didn't know that they did that there. So I say all that to say that today I'm going in to do a lantern making class. I have no idea what it is. I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna wing it. I usually don't take classes or really do much of anything without like friends or like family there, so I'm gonna start getting out there and doing activities by myself. And I'm in the community, I'm seeing like what activities they have, I'm like meeting new people. It's like really nice. I love the public library. I love to read. Yo, that was too funny. So I just did the class, and here's my little tea light. There's a light in it. My little flower press tea light. God bless instructors because that class, it had to have been like, I don't know, maybe 6 people in there. She was really doing her best. I could tell she was very frustrated because, you know, people are older and, you know, a little more like challenging to deal with. She tried her best. She was very nice, but like I could tell like she was kind of like at her wit's end. Yeah, so that was my experience doing a free class at the library. I would do another one, even though it was very awkward. Not for me, but for other people, and I'm sure for her. God bless her. I could never be an instructor, and it was a very good experience to be out with the community. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm going back home. So a few weeks ago, a company called Get a Hug sent me an email saying that they want to send me one of their products to make a video for social media. So I was like, of course I'll do it. This is like my first like PR package I've ever gotten. And I was so excited because I got to choose from like all these really cute bears, and I finally got it in the mail today.
Hello?
Isn't he so cute? Look at him. He's so adorable. I'm telling you, when I opened the box, I almost cried because I didn't realize he'd be this big. I thought they were gonna send me one of the little ones from their website, but he's so cute, and I dressed him up in this little dinosaur outfit. I picked this one, and I'm so obsessed with him. He's so cute. He feels like one of those like stuffed animals you get from the 80s because he's kind of like thick and a little bit like, I don't know how to describe it, like hefty. He's not like super ultra soft. He's like kind of like a thick bear. So, but I love that because I love stuffed animals like that. And he's just so cute. So today I have to make a little promo video of me kind of like doing an unboxing, and I'm just really excited to do that. I think by the time this video comes out, I could talk about this and share it because I would have already sent them the video. So if you are a company who makes really cute things, please go ahead and send me an email because I would love to work with you. Okay.
Around. It makes such little sense. It's unacceptable. Too weird and uncomfortable. She would suck the pickle that put the... It almost feels weird to see these kids get such a dub at the end of this episode. Because I feel like a lot of the episodes end with them getting comedic.
Oh my gosh, so look what just came in the mail. My brand new book.
I made a book of pictures.
A book of pictures?
Yes, I did.
I've been working on this one for a while. I actually didn't realize it was up for print until like a couple weeks ago, so I finally bought it. It's called My Tiny Hands. I have yet to make a video on this. I've just been so busy. I haven't even like scripted it or anything, but it's so cute. I don't know if you could, let me try to show you. It's super fun and super cute. I made it with a author. Her name is Stephanie T, and I did all her illustrations, and it's really simple, really short, but I really love it. I don't really get to do a lot of books about boys, so this was a great like opportunity to do that. So go buy it. Link will be in my description, and I will make a video for it soon. Also, today I have a couple meetings. I have so many meetings this week. I have one today and then I have one at the end of the week. It's like business meetings for like more clients, and I'm like kind of like getting a little bit like an influx of clients right now. So I'm like really happy about that, but also too I'm like trying to schedule everything out and make sure I'm not overbooking myself. But I'm gonna do that, and hopefully I will get more work done on my website. I'm trying to redo my website. I think it's okay, but I really wanted it to be a little more user-friendly, so I'm going to try to remake it, because when I have my new book, I want to be able to just like push out everything to start, you know, sending my books to publishers. So I want a working website that actually has a decent domain. I was supposed to renew my domain, but I just didn't have money to renew it, so I'm gonna actually try to do that and set up a new website for it so I can start putting myself up there. So this is my old website. I think it's good, but I think it could use a lot of improvement, especially on the like user interface. I don't think it flows very well. So I'm gonna use Squarespace for my website. Before I was using Wix, and they're both fine. I just wanted to try something new, and I didn't really know what I was doing, but it was pretty straightforward. So I just added a bunch of elements that I designed in Canva and kind of brought it in. Am I anywhere near done finishing it? No, but I just thought this would be kind of like a good start. So I'm kind of in this like weird limbo waiting for my book to be printed so I can start promoting it and making videos about it. And I figured instead of kind of just like sitting around and wasting time, I mean, I'm not wasting time, I'm supposed to be like taking my time to like relax and read and do all the stuff I didn't get to do. Of course, there is that part of my brain that's kind of like itching, like, ooh, you need to like get started, you need to be productive, you need to get the ball rolling in some way. And I'm really trying hard to fight that urge because I don't want to rush into anything right now. But I'm getting a little bit anxious. It's not gonna hurt if I start planning my schedule. I am someone who is like very schedule oriented, and I really need to know what it is I'm doing for the next 3 months in order to just feel like I can breathe. I set up a calendar. I made a calendar of my work schedule and all the things I plan to do. I kind of did a little project overview, kind of did some like video ideas, but most importantly, I sat down and I wrote a script for my next book. And I also made a mood board for it as well. I couldn't help myself. When I was writing the script, I'm like, oh, and I need that to look like that, so let me just write that down, let me make a little something for it. So here's a mood board for that. And I don't know what it was. I think sometimes when you're just in that like creative flowing mood, all of your ideas start to come out. I was like, oh my gosh, I have a very clear vision of what I want this book to be and what I want it to be about, and I did not have that before today. I had a concept of what I wanted, but I did not have any narrative story, and now I do. And now I feel a lot more confident going into the project and really kind of refining it and doing a lot more research for it, because now I know what it is I need to really look into. I really do need to research the fashion of this era. I need to research the architecture of that era, and so I'm really glad I did that. I at least have that done. That took up most of my day, but I'm glad I did it, and maybe, hopefully, we'll see, our project can get started a little earlier. I'm looking at perhaps maybe July, end of July or August. We'll shoot for end of July. I just finished a meeting with a client, a potential client. I always feel like I'm so awkward when I do it, but I think I'm getting a little bit better, kind of like condensing what it is I say with them, just because I have a tendency to ramble when I'm like trying to like explain things. So it went well, and I'm kind of excited to work on her book. Yeah, and so for today, what do I have to do today? What is on the roster? I'm working on my website again. I didn't finish it, I think yesterday or Tuesday, because I just got so tired. I know websites like Squarespace and Wix make it kind of easy for you to build a website. It's as easy as it could get. I just hate doing it. It's not fun for me really make an effort and work on it. So that's what I'm going to do today. That'll probably take up my whole day. I don't really plan to do anything else. And yeah, so let's do it. Okay, so that's, well, why am I zooming in? Okay, so that's like all I got so far. I think because I don't really have like a rush or a deadline to finish this, I think I'll just take my time with it and hopefully have it up before this month ends. If not, that's okay, because I don't know when I'm getting this book. I don't know when I'm getting my stupid circus book. I've waited so long, and this is just a test print. It's not even the final copy. Hopefully I don't even need to like re-upload anything. Hopefully it's perfect. I could just publish it and have it be done, but it's taken a long time. Ingram Spark, oh man. You have tested me in so many ways. And with that, I think I can close up this vlog. Yeah, I just wanted to say that this circus book project has been so wonderful and great. It was Michael Jackson say, like, I love touring. I love to tour. Yeah, I mean that, but it's just been such a long process that I think I'm a bit fatigued, and I kind of want to like wrap it up because I have like really good video ideas. I really want to make this video about it and have you guys see it, but you know, all of that is out of my control for right now. So in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you enjoyed me yet again just talking. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. Okay, so I'm completely remembering now. So there's this little thing I wanted to do at the end of my vlogs, give you a little media recommendations. I like when people recommend me things to watch or read, and so that's what I'm going to do for you. My 3 categories for media are going to be what I'm watching, what I'm reading, and what I am listening to. So what I am watching, The Rehearsal on Max, HBO Max, with Nathan Fielder, season 2. Cracks me up. I cry at every single episode. Please, if you haven't watched it, please watch it. I know it's not everyone's humor, but it's definitely my humor. And what I am reading, I have 2 books. One of them is The Me You Love in the Dark by Scotty Young and George Corona. I love this book. It is a graphic novel. It is so well done. It is beautifully, beautifully illustrated, and I love the story in it. I actually need to reread this because I bought it a couple of years ago, but I love this. I've been really getting into graphic novels, as I said before, because I kind of want to write one. So I'm kind of doing my research, but at the same time, like, they are so good. I love them. My second recommendation is Black Paradox by Junji Ito. If you know Junji Ito and his work, you'll know that he has an extensive amount of books, and they're all this like really like creepy horror. I know a lot of people don't like horror, but I feel like his books aren't really like scary. They're more like psychologically scary. Like I have this big book. I have Uzumaki, which was like the first book I ever read from him, and it's like very like, I love when books are creepy. I grew up on Goosebumps books, but his is like creepy like in a weird way, not in a like overly like scary gory way. It's just like strange, and I really do like that. So those are my 2 book recommendations. Oh wait, no, my 3rd book recommendation is My Tiny Hands, written by Stephanie T and illustrated by me. So yeah, go check that book out on Amazon. Love that. And my 3rd category, what I am listening to, Pink Panthers' new album, Fancy That. It is so good. I love Pink Panthers, and this album is just so good. Like I listened to it in order because she kind of like made it so that it flows kind of like a set. Love it. And my 2nd recommendation is this new band I found called Wisp. My lisp does not like Wisp, but I really like their sound. I really like their style. It's very like emo, kind of like early 2000s. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like Flyleaf, but not as like rock, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but I really am listening to the music. I really like it. Yeah, so those are my media recommendations. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on all my social medias. You guys have really been blowing up my little deer TikTok. I really appreciate that. Love the engagement and the followers. And yeah, I will see you in the next video, and hopefully in my next video I will have a finished book for you guys. If not, you will get another vlog. With that, I will see you in the next one. Bye!